Hello, Prasanna. I'm audible to you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Why isn't she responding then?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Sorry.
Yeah, I'm asking you that. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it has it got proved?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So Prasanna, see the formula that the very primary formula that I told, the three formulas: sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
the second that I just told you will be applied here. 1 plus tan square theta will give us
Sec square theta.
sec square theta. Sec square theta. Okay. Now plus is there, so we'll put the sign of plus. Now take the LCM of this. One here it's one now, so you will take the LCM. What it will be that
Tan
cross
square.
multiplication tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so again here is 1 plus tan square theta, it will become sec
Sec
square
square
theta,
theta.
right? Now write this sec square theta as 1 upon cos square theta. Okay, now this is sec square theta and this is tan square theta, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 1 upon cos square theta plus sec square theta, we can write it as 1 upon cos square theta, and this tan square theta we can write in the form of sine and cos, like sine square theta upon cos square theta. Okay, so cos square theta and cos square theta will get
Tan
cancelled,
square.
right? Now 1 upon, we are left with 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon sine square theta, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we all we need is sine square, sine theta term, because in the RHS we have already we saw that this there is only sine theta terms, right? There is only sine theta term. There is no cos theta term. So we will convert this cos theta to sine theta. How are we going to convert that? One upon cos square theta. What can we write to the cos square theta? Tell me the formula. Tell me, Prasanna.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
What haven't you understood here, Prasanna? What haven't you understood? Just tell
Um,
me.
I got till the step that you did 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon sine square theta, but after that, how do I bring it in terms of sine?
Okay, so the formula, only the three formula is getting used here. Only the three formula, none other than that. So here, what is going to be get used? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 now.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to write cos theta in terms of sine theta. So what are we going to write? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you,
Yes, ma'am. Now I got it.
so 1 minus sine square theta upon 1 upon sine square theta. Now what to do? Now what to do?
I
Again
see.
taking the LCM. Now it will go here and it will go here. So sine square theta plus 1 minus sine square theta, okay, over what? 1 minus sine square theta sine square theta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In the numerator we want 1, isn't it? We
Yes,
want, and you see sine theta, sine square theta and sine square theta will get cancelled, yes or no?
yes.
What we are left with? 1 upon,
One
now
upon
do the distribution using the distribution law.
sine square theta minus sine to the power 4 theta.
Okay, now you got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It is the RHS only.
Yes.
Kashvi, did you do this question in the same way?
Yes, ma'am. I did it like I took 1 plus 1 by tan square theta as 1 plus cot square theta and took it as 4 sec square theta. So, but otherwise
What,
everything was same.
have anything wrong?
No, ma'am.
No, you got it right now.
Same answer. Yes, ma'am.
There are many ways to solve a question, so any one of them can be applied. Now, which question would you like to do? Fourth one? Fourth one? Try this and try to solve this. You have only three formula, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So and the other formula, if any one of them, if any formula that is getting used apart from these three is only the reciprocal formula, that is cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta, like this type of. Okay? And the reciprocal formula you are knowing na, Prasuna and Kashfi, both of you.
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
there should not be any problem in doing these questions. Okay, so do it now. Just cross multiply first. Cross multiply and see some terms will get cancelled automatically.
Ma'am, I got it.
What? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kashvi, yours?
Yes, ma'am.
So proved now. No problem. Any problem?
No.
Okay. You people are having problem in these type of questions. I've seen this type of question, but this will be harder for BCP. So let's do for this quadratic equation. Some questions for quadratic equations. Okay. Okay. So try the question. Try this 18th question. Okay. 18th question. Yeah. Do this question. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Kashvi, what answer you've got? This what answer you have got, Prasuna?
1 plus 1 by root 3 and 1 minus 1 by root 3.
1 plus 1 by root 3.
And
Yes.
1 minus 1 by root.
Okay. So what are you getting, Kashvi? Are you getting the same or different?
Ma'am, I'm still solving it.
Hmm.
I'm still solving it, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Kashvi, if you are getting the same 1 plus minus 1 upon root 3, then tell me. Kashvi, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
So what answer you are getting?
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay, fine. Okay, if you are given this 10th question, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. So what is given here? Sum of the areas of two squares. Let the areas of the square be A and B. Let the sides of the squares be A and B. Okay. So the areas would be what? A square
A square and B square.
e square is equal to 468. Okay. If the difference of their perimeters. So what is perimeter? What is perimeter? Perimeter
4A
is
and 4B.
4B. So if the difference of their perimeters, so 4A minus 4B equal to 24 meter. 24. Find the sides of the two squares. So it's asking about the sides. So we have two equations here. Okay, so we can convert it in one square as one equation also, like 4a, we'll take 4 common, a minus b will be equal to 24. It will get divided, a minus b is equal to 6. It means that a is equal to b plus 6. Okay, so we have got the relation between a and b here, right? We have got the relation between a and b. A is equal to b plus 6. So we can write here in first equation, suppose this is the first equation, this is the second equation, we can substitute the value of a in first equation, right? So we can write b plus 6 whole square plus b square is equal to 468. Can we write it in this way or not?
Yes, ma'am.
This way?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you do now the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood how I have reached to this quadratic equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now solve this equation and let me know the value of b and then a, because b is related to a. So once you have found the value of b, you can easily find the value of a. Okay,
Yes.
and whatever the negative value you will be getting, just ignore it, because the negative, the distance or the sides of the squares or the sides of the anything cannot be negative, right? So if you, whatever be the negative part you will be getting, just ignore that negative value. Just the positive value will be the right answer. Okay, so just do it.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, what is the answer then? What is the value of a and b?
Ma'am, A is 18 and B is 12.
Okay, a is 18 and b is 12. Fine. And Prasuna, for you?
Yes, ma'am, I got the same one. A is
Oh.
18 and B.
So you people have understood everything. It means that if I'll take the test then you will be writing the test accurately. Okay. On 13 there will be test of this BCP including all these chapters. Okay, and you are not supposed to do any kind of silly mistakes there. Factorization question based on splitting the middle terms. Just do this, the last question. 2x square minus 17x minus 30 by splitting the middle term method. Wait. It's very easy. Don't do that. Do this question instead. Do this 27th. This question is very easy. Already the answer is hidden in this question itself. So don't do this question. Do the 27th one.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, what is that?
You get 2x minus 9 bracketed and x plus 5 bracketed.
2x minus 9.
Yes, ma'am. X will be equal to 9 by 2 and minus 5.
Here you are not supposed to find the value of x because this is not a quadratic equation. This is factorization. You only need to factorize the terms.
Ma'am, and then x plus 5.
Yeah, x plus 9.
5.
Is this the answer, Kashmir, that you
No,
got?
ma'am, it's x plus 5. X plus 5, ma'am, not 9.
X plus 5. So both of you are getting the same.
Yes, ma'am.
How you splitted this middle term?
Plus 10x minus 9.
Okay, plus 10x minus 9x. Yes. And if the terms are written like this, then what you have done? What you would have done? Will the middle term will be considered this one or again this one only?
Ma'am, again x.
Kashri, for you,
Ma'am, it will be x.
x. Okay, you will rearrange them and then do the question. Okay, first you need to rearrange them. No matter if 2x square is written in between, sorry, x plus 2x square minus 45, it is written in this way, then again you are rearrange them in order of their degree of the x. Fine, or any variable that is given. Fine, first we will order write them in decreasing order of their degrees, and then we'll decide that the x term will be the middle term. Okay, so division. So do this division. 15th.
Mom, I got the quotient as 4x square plus 3x minus 1 and the remainder as x minus
Yes.
1.
Yes.
Ma'am, the quotient is 4x square plus 3x
Let me write 4x square
plus 3x
is 3x
minus 2
minus 2
and the remainder is x minus 1.
x minus 1. Are you getting the same, Kashmir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. It means you people can do the question. Now for the exponents and powers. So can you people do the question like of this type? We have to find the value of m.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do then. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, m is equal to 1.
Yes. Correct. Now this type of question is done. And for you, Kashvi?
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay. So now this. Wait. This question.
Mom, it's 4.
Ma'am,
the answer would be 625 into t to the power 4 by 2.
625
Into t to the power 4 by 2.
into t to the power 4 by 2.
Ma'am, the whole by yes, 2. Ma'am, whole by 2.
The whole by 2 or by 2. Whatever. The same thing is that. So getting the same answer.
Yes, ma'am, but I left it at 5 to the power 4 into.
Yeah.
I left it at 5 to the power 4 instead of writing it as 625.
Power 4 upon 2. Okay. And it will be more better if you do the question in this means write the answer in this way. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now people will be ready for the test. There will be no hard questions, only the questions that would be come under BCP. Okay, because there are many hard questions also that I have discussed in this class, but there would not be hard questions the test. Okay, only based on these formulas and no other tricky steps. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Should we do one more question? Do you feel like to do one more question?
So,
Do you enjoy the trigonometry class or not? Enjoy the trigonometry or not? What do you think? It's hard or it's easy or it's interesting?
ma'am, it's interesting.
It's interesting. Kashfi, for you, is it interesting? Is the trigonometry interesting or not?
Ma'am, it is.
No, it is not. It has to be interesting, and if it is not right till yet, then make it interesting because it is the backbone of the maths. Okay, without this, you cannot solve any questions. Means related to calculus. Calculus is based on this only. Everything is based on this. Even in physics, you will have to face trigonometry. Okay, so everywhere you will need trigonometry. So you have to make it interesting. Okay, do as much questions as you can. There are many books, there are many other books, R.S. Agrawal, and what is that book? There are many books. Okay, so you can do R.D. Sharma, you can do the questions from those books also. And if you are facing any problem, come to me, I will solve them for you. Okay, just send a message that you are unable to solve this question, I will solve them and then we'll come back to you. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so if there is any problem, then the teachers will be there to help you. So make your any chapter or make your every chapter interesting instead. Not only trigonometry, but every chapter interesting. Maths, physics, and everything. To play with the question is very important. Try to play with the question. Don't take it so seriously. Try to play with the questions. Okay, because when we play the games, we enjoy. Why we enjoy? Because we love playing the games. So play the games with the questions. Okay. If you are not able to solve the question, say I can able to solve the question. Just do it again. Do it again and again. How can the answer not come?
Yes,
Don't give up in maths. Never give up in maths. I want to give you an easy one. So do this seventh one, seventh. Just one question and then we will be done. Because we started 5 minutes late now, that's why. What if we rationalize the LHS? Rationalize the LHS. You know rationalization now, both of you.
yes, ma'am.
Kashvi, you also know the rationalization, how to rationalize.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so try to rationalize the LHS term. From there, you can get some clue.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so has it got proved?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine then. So we are done with the question, right? And also the revision work is done. All we need to do is do the practice and do appear in the test. Okay, it's not like you are not going to write the test.
Yes.
Okay, then bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you.
Thank you, ma'am.